guys, welcome to our new video. In this video, we will be covering the part 7 section of exercise 1.3 of arithmetic progression. So, we had completed the 9 questions in the previous videos. If you haven't watched that, please watch it so that you understand these problems with ease. So, now let us begin the 10th question. The 10th question reads as, show that A1, A2 up to AN form an arithmetic progression where AN is given. So, they have given AN is equal to 3 plus 4n. After proving that it forms an arithmetic progression, we have to find what S15 is. So, AN here is given. So, we can find what is A1. A1 is nothing but 3 plus 4n. That is 3 plus 4 into n. That is 4. N is equal to 1. A1 is equal to here 4 plus 3 7. A2 is equal to 3 plus 4 into 2. That is equal to 11. A3 here is equal to 3 plus 4 into 3. Which is equal to 15. We'll find what D is. D here is 11 minus 7, which is equal to 4. Here it is 15 minus 11, which is again is equal to 4. So D here is the same. So this is an AP. Here A1 is equal to 7, D is equal to 4, and we have to find what S15 is. S15, we'll use the formula n by 2, 2a plus a minus 1, n minus 1 into D. 15 upon 2, 2 into a, that is 14. Plus 15 minus 1, n minus 1 is 15 minus 1, 14 into D, 14 into 4. Okay. So, S15, we will simplify it. We will take 14 as common here. So, 1 plus 4. S15 here is 15 into 7 into, this is 4 plus 1, 5. S15 in first case is equal to 525. Okay. So now let us move on to the second sub question in that problem only, where AN is defined as 9 minus 5n. So A1 is equal to 9 minus 5 into 1, 4. A2 is equal to 9 minus 5 into 1, that is minus 1. A3 here is equal to 9 minus 5 into 3, 15, which is equal to minus 6. D in this case is equal to minus 1 minus 4, which is equal to minus 5. Here it is minus 6 minus of minus 1, that is plus 1, again minus 5. So D is constant, so this forms an AP. In this case, A1 is equal to 4, D is equal to minus 5. And we have to find what S15 here is. S15 is again 15 by 2, 2 into A, that is 4 into 2, 8 plus 15 minus 1, 14 into minus 5. Okay, so here we will simplify it now. 15 by 2. It is 8 minus 14 5s, it comes around 70. 15 by 2 into minus of 62. And the total sum is around minus 465. So by this we have found out the 10th solution. Now we'll move on to the 11th one. The 11th question reads as, if the sum of first n terms of an AP, so Sn here is equal to 4n minus n square. What is the first term? So we have to find what is A1. What is the sum of first two terms? That is, we have to find what S2 is. What is the second term? A2. Similarly, find third term, 10th term and nth term. So here they have given the general form of Sn. Okay, so here we have to find what A1 is. In other terms, A1 is nothing but S1. Okay, so the first term is something A, and the sum of first term is also A itself. We will find what S1 is. S1 is nothing but 4 into 1 minus 1 square, and S1, which is equal to A1, is equal to 4 minus 1. That is nothing but 3. This one is done. We will find what S2 is. S2 is equal to 4 into 2, 8 minus 4. S2 here is equal to 4. Okay. Now we have to find what A2 is. To find the second term, we will subtract S2 minus S1. S1 is nothing but first term. So it is 4 minus 3, which is equal to 1. So it implies that A2 is equal to 1. Okay, the second term here is 1. We know that first term is 3, second term is 1. Now they have asked us to find what the third term is. We will find what S3 is. S3 is nothing but 4 into 3 minus 9. So we have found what is A3. To find A3 term, we will subtract S2 from S3. Because S2 is nothing but A plus A1 plus A2 and S3 is nothing but A1 plus A2 plus A3. So if we subtract A1 and A2, we will get what is A3. Okay. So this is the simple understanding which we have to know to solve this problem. They are just giving a very tricky question so that they can judge whether you know the exact concept or no. Okay. So S3 minus S2, that is 3 minus 4, which is equal to minus 1. So A3 here is minus 1. Further, they have asked to find out what is A10 and A9. To find A10, we can use the simple formula, that is A10 is equal to A plus 9D. To find out D, we will subtract A3 minus A2. Okay, so minus 1 which is equal to minus 2. Now let us find what A10 is. A10 here is nothing but A1, that is A plus 9D. A here given A is, that is A1 is 3 plus 9 into minus 2. That is minus 18 plus 3, which is equal to minus 15. Now let us find what AN is. AN is nothing but A plus N minus 1 into D. A here is 3 plus N minus 1 into D here is minus 2. 3 minus 2N plus 2. That is 5 minus 2N. That is AN. So now let us solve the 12th problem, that is find sum of first 40 positive integers which are divided by 6. So we know that the first integer that is divisible by 6 is 6 itself. The second one is 12, 18 and so on. So we have to find what are the first 40 terms. Okay. So N here is 40, D here is 6 and A here is 6 again. We have to find what S40 is. S40 is nothing but 40 by 2, 2 into A, that is 12 plus N minus 1, that is 40 minus 1, 39 into 6 again. We have to go for further calculations here, that is equal to 20 into 12 plus 39 into 6, which is around 234, 20 into 246, which comes around 4920. So the sum of first 40 positive integers that can be divided by 6 is 4920. The 13th problem now, find the sum of first 15 multiples of 8. To find this first 15 multiples of 8, here N is equal to 15, D is equal to 8. The first would be 8, the second would be 6. So here the multiples are 8, 16 and so on. The first term here is 8 again. We will find what S15 is. S15 is nothing but 15 by 2, 2 into A, that is 2 8 is 16 plus 15 minus 1, 14 into D. Now we have to go for further simplification of this problem, which is equal to S15 here is equal to 15 by 2, 16 plus 112, 15 divided by 2 into 128, which is equal to 960. So S15 here is 960. Friends, these problems are really very easy. You found out why. Just the thing is that your concepts must be clear. And if you haven't watched those concept videos, you can watch it in our channel where we have explained everything more clearly so that it becomes easy for you to solve the problems. Well, we'll solve till here in this part and the remaining portion will be covered in the next parts. So please don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching our video. Thank you.